Hey Sharks, let's dive into this video. This video I want to focus on is smart money and dumb money. Okay, so smart money is institutions and then dumb money is retail investors like ourselves. Now, we don't want to be called dumb money, right? We want to become smart money, we want to trade like smart money. Okay, so this video I want to share is how to use margin, right? How to properly use leverage and how to properly use your margin. So margin is a lot riskier because this is money that is not yours. This is borrowed money, and this is money that you can leverage. Okay, but you have the conditions have to be right, right? Because if you use it the wrong way, if you don't have proper risk management, you can end up losing your account or not be able to cover and lose your portfolio. So margin money is money that you want to use when all the circumstances are right. And this is where you have high conviction and you're willing to invest the bank's money, the borrowed money, right? As another term for it is OPM, other people's money, okay? But use the margin money, invest in a particular stock. But you have to be very clear about your exit point. And that comes back to technical analysis, taking profits and have the proper exit points. Because you want to take that borrowed money to make you more money. That's the best way to use margins. That's the best way to capitalize on margin money. Now, with margin money, you don't want to hold on to it too long, right? Because margin money, you just want to use it and at the right circumstances and then take advantage of that and then exit on the proper time. Not being on margin too long where you are now paying margin interest, or the worst case, the stock pulls back and now you're stuck holding the stock in the red, holding the bag in the red on margin. So not only you paying interest, but you're also down in the position as well. And if you cannot cover, that's even worse. So what you want to do is use margin money, okay, properly. Do it like the smart money. Use margin money to make you more money. That's the best way to do it. But know and have proper exit points on that. And if you want some help around that and understand deeper around how to use margin, leverage money, you can book a time with me and I can share with you how I can help you and guide you if you want to learn how to trade options or invest in the market, generate income anywhere between 3 to 10% per month, safely, consistently, and semi-passively. All right, so if you like this video, you found it helpful, like and subscribe, leave a comment, and then stay tuned for the second half of this video. You can see me in action working with one of my members. All right, so stay safe out there and be careful with margins. Very top, we have Riot. You have a $20 cover. Is that a leap? June 18, 2026. You bought a leap there?
Yeah.
Yeah. You bought a leap there. Yes. Okay. We need to let that recover, do its thing.
Okay.
Let's see what's Riot trading at. We can sell poor man's cover call on the Riot. I think you have level 3 options, right?
I don't know whether it's still working, but I called them. I don't know what they were talking. We can try it. We can try it and see whether it's gonna
try. Okay, we'll try. Go to trade.
Yeah, because
how many contracts you have on Riot? Go down.
How many what?
Contracts go down. 4. Okay, so go to trade. Go to Riot.
Okay.
Trade on the left.
Yeah. Trade. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Why is it slow?
We'll speed up the connection by taking off.
Yeah, it's my computer. You know, I need to change it maybe.
Click on Riot. RIOT.
RIOT.
Yeah.
First one.
Yes.
Platform. Okay.
And then action sell to open. And quantity 4. And it's gonna be a call. Expiration December 12th. And strike price 17.
I hope it's not gonna, because last time they were asking, I don't know what they were. I can't remember what they said. 17. Okay, let's see.
All right, let's go to limit price. 36 or 35. It's cut tight. And let's see if you can do that. Let's see if you can process this.
Okay, let's see. Your order will leave your account with an option.
So you don't have the option level for it. You need to go to level 3 to be able to do poor man's cover call.
Yeah, I don't. I need to. Maybe I need to call
I
them
can
to.
call them
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay.
and
Shit.
set that up. So we wouldn't be able to do poor man's cover call until you take care of that. I think
Okay.
they'll give it to you too. So
Yeah, they should. If I
yeah,
mean,
all right.
okay.
Let's
So
go
let
back to
me.
your portfolio.
Oh, shoot. Mm,
Let's see
mm,
what else.
see what I have here. Or I think the closest one is I think Palantir also. Let me just see. Oh, this is pretty very slow. Mm, okay.
All right. You have CIFR, that's a leap. We'll leave that alone. NVIDIA, you have that 400 shares, good costs. Then leave that alone. NVIDIA, you can sell cover calls on it.
On
So
Nvidia.
yeah, you have
Okay.
400 shares. We do four, so four cover calls.
Yeah. Let's see.
Trade.
Trade. Mhm.
And I recommend we're going to select a strike price
Yeah.
and you don't mind. I'd recommend exiting NVIDIA. There's no point staying in NVIDIA longer than it is. NVIDIA
Mm.
has a really hard time, have strong resistance in the high 190s. So go to
Oh,
options.
okay. Mm. Yeah, I think you bought 400 shares in Nvidia.
I have shares in NVIDIA too.
Okay.
Yes. And what do you call it? I have I select a cover call strike price for me to exit MVDA.
Okay.
Yeah, because there's no point holding on to NVIDIA so long. You already made the maximum profit. So you
Okay.
want to exit, you want to
Okay.
take profits because you haven't taken any profits. Let's go to
Yeah.
NVIDIA.
Yeah. It's not even Palantir is one. There's only one that, although it's gone down already. But
Yeah, and NVIDIA is on margin too, so you're paying margin interest to own this. Sell to open,
you said that I'm paying what?
margin interest.
Who am
You own NVIDIA on margin.
No, I don't. I don't think I have any margin.
400 and it says shares NVIDIA only margin on discount.
What does
Click on
that mean?
sell to open. It means that the shares that you own NVIDIA on is on margin.
Really?
Yes. So hit sell to open.
Okay.
Quantity 4, going to be a call.
Okay.
Expiration next week.
Okay. That should be 12.
Yeah, and then strike price 190. And then let's look at the limit price.
All right.
171 is fine. Okay. And let's process that. 681. And we're gonna let it get called away. There's no point holding on to it.
So
190 exit. 190 exit, you'll make a lot of profit plus the premium.
yeah. So question again, Coach. You said I'm on margin. What does that mean? I don't understand it again.
Margin is the bank's money, Fidelity's money.
Really?
Any position that you see in the positions with an M next to it, I'll show you. Wait till it loads up. So you
Okay.
see NVIDIA, you see the M?
That's here.
Yeah. Well,
Mhm.
it says M next to the -4. A lot of your positions are on margin, if you look.
Oh, they got this M here.
You see, it's a margin position.
Hmm.
Okay.
Really?
If you hover the mouse over the M, it'll tell you, it pops up a little thing there. See? Wait, margin position. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's on margin. Let's see what else do you have. MVTS,
Mhm.
you
So
have
so margin means that I'm kind of is like bank money. Is that what you mean?
the loan. It's a loan.
Loan from Fidelity, something like that.
That that's right.
I don't really think unless
Based
maybe.
off based off your how much your portfolio is. If you put 100,000, Fidelity will match you 100,000.
Hmm. This thing is really confusing. Except
Just
if I
margin
bought.
money.
So let's say I have 490. Okay. Let's say Palantir, I have 490 shares, and I bought 10 shares with a margin. So it show that Palantir is margin. You know what I mean? Because
Yeah, I don't know if how much percentage is in
yes, because I know
margin,
more. Yeah,
but you
my
can check.
mm,
Actually, Palantir, you have a 180 cover call. That's yeah, that's fine. Uh, we just want to exit around there because you need to start taking profits on these positions. You're holding on to it for too long. It does not. It has reaches maturity. There's not much. There's the resistance level.
okay.
Iron is a leap. We'll leave that. It needs time to recover. And then that's another leap that needs to recover. BMNR, you own the shares. 100 shares is trading at 35. You can run a cover call here.
Well, okay,
So
this what the
trade
BM.
BMNR, you could do one contract.
Okay, let's see. BMN. Mhm.
35. Yeah, BMNR. And then action sell to open. Contract one.
Or
Yeah, call. Expiration next week to 12. And we'll go with 30. Look at a 37 strike.
all right, there is a. Let's see.
Uh,
Limit.
yeah, that's okay. What? Let me see. Let me check. Maybe we can do a lower delta. The 12. Let's see. No, let's go to 42. 42 is fine. Change the
Uh,
strike to 42.
142.
No, no, strike. It says 37. Let's move it to 42.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, I'll just make a little bit less, but I think you have a high cost on BMNR.
Yes, yes, I
So
do.
just go to 42 is fine.
Okay.
Limit price, uh, go to mid. Yeah. And let's process this. Place order. The limit was you asked us for
Manage
was
position.
yeah, manage position. And let's replace that BMNR. Let's try 0.40 for the limit price. Yeah.
For 0.
Yeah, point no 0.39, 0.39. It's very tight now. Okay. Let's place that. Place order. Okay. That's built. Okay, it got filled at 42. It's even better. Okay, let's go close this out. Let's view positions.
Okay.
Yeah, view positions. And let's take a look. So BMNR, your cost is 61. Yeah, that's pretty high. On NVIDIA, we got the 190 call. That's good. Palantir, you have a December 26, 180 call.
Yeah.
It's holding steady. Okay. So market value on that is 37, 34. And okay, so it's about
So
breaking.
this apparent, yeah, this is 26 December.
Yes.
So if I allow it to expire at 20 December, what's going to happen at this rate now?
Nothing. You
Okay.
just collect the full amount of premium. So you'll collect the entire premium that you did on Palantir.
Okay.
So all the cover calls you saw on Palantir, if it expires out of the money, you collect the full premium.
Premium. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Uh, okay. Everything else is the way it is because we
okay.
cannot run cover calls on the leaps. You need to talk to Fidelity and see if you
Okay.
can get level
Yes,
three.
yes. I need to do that. Yes. I
You
will call
can
them.
do that. You can get
Mm.
level three. Let me
Yes.
know,
It's
and
okay.
then book a time with me on Monday, and we'll
Okay.
run
Yeah.
cover. We'll do poor man's cover call. I'll show you how to do the poor man's cover call.
It's okay. I will call them once I get to the office now. Okay.
Okay.